today I have a 2019 Chevrolet Spark, and I'm going to show you where the parking brake is in this particular vehicle. But before we get started, could you give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. Thank you. I appreciate it a lot. All right. So I'm sitting behind the steering wheel of the vehicle with the vehicle in park. All right. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to look towards the center and in the middle. All right. Go to the center, look down the middle. Do you see this lever right here? I'm going to take this and I'm going to pull it all the way up until it stops right here, and the parking brake should be engaged. All right, so I'm going to look up on the instrument panel, and you see this. That is indicative that the parking brake is engaged. Now, to release it, I'm going to come back here. I'm going to put my foot on the brake, even though the vehicle's in park. I'm going to come right here, lift up slightly, press the button, and let it all the way down. Release. Look up here, and you see on the instrument panel, the parking brake sign is no longer there. That means the parking brake is disengaged. All right, let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot for watching.